What's up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot and welcome to our RV. We are going on a short little trip. I think we're going to be gone 4 days, 5 days this time. And today's packing day. So we thought we would invite you into our RV and talk to you guys about packing. It's a lot.
We pack our whole house.
She makes us pack our whole house.
Well, starting with the food, shopping yesterday to get snacks for our trip because there's no point in stopping. If you're in an RV, you can fill it full of snacks for your little adventure. So I went shopping yesterday and I actually took the snacks straight from the vehicle into the RV instead of taking them in so no one would get in them. So I already started packing the snacks yesterday.
Whoa.
That's always important.
There's a lot.
And some of the things that we've realized after having the RV for a little over a year now, packing day is so much. So much. And some of the things that we've realized that we really just need to buy double of is like our bedding and
Fan.
have a fan in here. We all have to sleep with a fan, and there was one time that we forgot a fan once or twice, and we had to go buy a fan one of the times. The other times we just had to do without. So a box fan, we need to get a box fan for just to keep in here. Our bedding, it's almost worth just having a whole wardrobe
Yeah.
that you keep in the RV. But even then, the packing of the clothes, of course, is always so hard anywhere you're going because you don't know about the weather. You don't know what accidents are going to happen or who knows what. So you always overpack when it comes to clothes. I know the last trip we took when we went to the same place we're going to, we brought in so many clothes that we didn't even wear.
Because it was snowing.
Well, we packed so much because it was snowing, you know, because you always have clothes that might get wet and muddy and you don't know how cold it's going to be.
Yeah.
So we definitely overpack the clothes, well, most every time we go somewhere. Yeah. Maybe we can do a little better this time.
Yeah.
So we've already started with the snacks. I'm going to bring some more food out probably before we leave. So we always... Our RV obviously has a refrigerator, so we like to bring our own food for cooking. So we'll bring meats and put them in the freezer. We'll bring, you know, our cold stuff as well. Where we're going to stay with the Murphys. They're really good friends of ours. We actually met them at a homesteading conference and have become closer friends with them. And they actually relocated this year and they're starting a new life, their new location, and we're gonna go help them out. Right now they're currently building a shed. So our last trip we went and helped them out with the building, and this time same thing, we're going back. Well, I'm gonna say Corey helped with the building. We did one day.
I did too.
Yeah.
I did it every day, but
Yeah.
not as
So
much as
yeah.
we did.
The girls, you know, of course, make sure the food is prepared for the guys that are working hard, which is actually hard for me because anytime that we've done anything here, I've always been out doing the work stuff too, like building our house, building our shed. We've never really had a lot of help or like a community come help us. We've always just been able, you know, do it ourselves. So I've always done the food and the work, which I absolutely enjoy. But so when we go here, it's a little bit different. I have to stay back and help cook, which is fine too because I love that. And then the boys get to go see their friends, which they see them every night.
Yep.
Yeah.
We call them about every
On
night.
FaceTime anyway, but it's different when you're actually there with them. So they get to go have some fun with their friends. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get to packing. Corey already filled up the propane this morning, so we've got that done. We ran out of propane last time and it was
It was freezing.
freezing cold.
Yeah.
And
It was snowing and we had no propane.
luckily the Murphys hooked us up with some heaters. We were able to stay warm. And we also, while we were there last time, was worried we weren't going to be able to leave because there was ice
On that hill.
on the driveway that we had to get up. But we made it out. So
Yeah.
always love all the adventures in the RV. I think we need to get to packing.
Yeah.
And
It's like you make several trips back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And then when you get home,
Unloading
it, we try every time. We've done really good, except for I think one time when we came home a little later. We didn't unpack things that night, but we try to do really good of getting most of the food out and stuff like that when we come home and unpack. But so I think the unpacking is just as bad as the packing.
Yeah.
Maybe.
maybe a little.
And then you gotta come home and do all your laundry.
Yeah.
And it's funny, every time we come out to the RV, whether we are packing or we're just out here doing something, this one, you can see, Lola. Oh, I don't know if you can see her or not.
Well,
She always
has to be out here.
has to be out here. She's afraid that we're gonna leave her. She likes to go in the RV too. Even when we just go to town to put gas in or get propane or something the day before, she likes to ride in the RV.
Yep.
She likes to be with us. So I'm pretty sure we're going to take her again this time.
I hope so.
And yeah.
Yeah. When we were leaving the Murphys, so they have this narrow bridge, like very narrow, and half of our front tire, was off. Passenger side.
We made it though.
Yeah. Because it's so tiny.
All right. Corey's at work today, so we're going to get a head start on packing and try to get most of everything done before he gets home. But we'll see. Yep. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Let's go pack our house. All right, here we go.
Actually, I'm gonna look at the snacks.
What?
I'm gonna look at the snacks.
Oh, of course, the most important part.
What are them?
Those are new. New
What are
ones.
these?
See you guys.
Blueberry peanuts?
I'm going to go get started. Are you in the captain's seat, Lola? No, that wouldn't be the captain's seat. That's the captain's seat. Are you in the co-captain's seat, Lola? We're not leaving yet. I'm afraid we're gonna leave you, aren't you? This one's really important to me.
Wait.
I gotta pack my dumbbells so I can exercise.
Tins?
Yep.
Alright, here's the tins.
I got my weights and
Bands. Clouds. Here you got your mat. Bands, weights, mat.
and my sliders and my weight bands. You wanna grab those?
Yep. And then her mat. And what these things are?
Bands.
Bands.
And a
then-
mat just in case. You know, I just started a new program, so I don't want to mess that up. Gotta get my workouts in the morning, even when we're gone. Okay, that's most important to me. Okay, so we got most of everything packed that we could for today. So in the morning we will get like our bathroom stuff, our bedding, let's see what else. Oh, like the cold food stuff. We'll get all that together. I actually like to put all the cold food in a Walmart sack and put it in the fridge or the freezer, whichever. That way we can just, it's already ready, so we can just grab the bag and go. So we make that super easy too. The next thing that I need to do today is get everything prepared for the Microgreens business. So I have to get all my orders in for this week and get my seeds measured out and all that ready for when my nephew comes. He's gonna plant for me while we're gone. And my mom's gonna take care of some of the watering, the microgreens as well. You know, come here and look after the farm. We always make sure we have someone here coming at least twice a day to check on the sheep, feed the sheep, and Ralph, our Great Pyrenees, and take care of our little, yeah, our guard dog. Take care of our little kitty, and lots of things to do and to think about when we go to travel, but we love it. So
yeah,
we made several trips back and forth, and we got a pretty good start on it. Not too much left to do, but I think we've done all that we can.
Yep.
So let us know in the comments, do you have any tips for us when it comes to traveling in the RV?
Yep.
Remember, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!
See ya. Can land it.